Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to unbox Euphorbia box for the month of May. And my mic was not working in the starting, so I had to do a voiceover. So this is the box. I'm just gonna open it, and this is the pouch I got inside. This is a very pretty blue colored, really nice cool blue colored pouch. And then I figured out that my mic is not working, and I fixed it, and now I will be talking live. So this is the bag. It's very nice steel blue, kind of cool blue, and it says enjoy holiday cool. And so the theme of the bag is all about vacation and holiday and stay cool kind of. And I really don't know it's a waterproof material or not, but it is a really thick one. I think it's waterproof, but it's a thick material. So let's just open the bag and see the contents. So the first thing I can see is the info card, which is here, and all the product details are written here. And let's just check out products one by one. All right, so the very first thing I can see is it's a facial oil. This is by McGreen Sun Erase Cooling Summer Facial Oil. It has jojoba, coconut, tamanu and cardamom. Yeah, so it's like a cooling summer facial oil. I really don't know whether it will give like a cooling sensation or not. I'll just smell it and see how it smells. Oh, it doesn't smell very good. I don't know. It doesn't smell very nice. It's just like a regular herbal oil. It has like a regular herbal oil scent. So yeah, okay, so this is not by McGreens, this is by AM Greens. I'm sorry. This is AM Green Sun Erase Cooling Summer Facial Oils, and this retails for 1199 rupees. Wow, that's so expensive. And the amount of product I'm getting is a 10 ml and almost 1200 for this much of facial oil. It has to be like really good if it's so expensive. Definitely I'll be trying it on my face and see whether I can see any difference in my skin or not. All right, let's move on to the next thing. All right, the next thing I can see is this thing, and this is by the brand called Aranyam. And what it is exactly, this is nail and cuticle health cream, basically like your cuticle cream. It is, this one retails for 300 Indian rupees, and the amount of the product is not written over here, so I really can't tell you how much product I'm having. It smells like a cold cream. Which cold cream? It smells like a Charmis. Yes, Charmis cold cream, and it's like lavender in color. I don't know whether you can see the exact color on the camera or not, but it is in lavender color. So that was the cuticle cream. Now let's just move on to other things. All right, I see a pair of earrings, and oh, these are pretty. These are pink tassel earrings. So these are the pair of earrings I got. They are pink in color, silver and pink. And these a pair of Meenakari earrings retails for 250 rupees. I think I'll just wear it and show you how it looks on me. So this is how they're looking, really pretty. I really like them. I really like the color as well. All right, I'm just left with one last product, and this is a lip color, and it is by 7 Seas. I love liquid. It's a liquid lipstick, and I do have a couple of 7 Seas liquid lipsticks, and they are so good. They were so good. I really loved their formula. And this is a different shade. I had like a fuchsia magenta shade. This is like a really nice dark maroon color. This 7 Seas liquid lipsticks shade number 117 retails for 299 Indian rupees. So I'll just swatch it and show you the exact shade. Oh, it's the formula is like really nice, similar to the one I have, and it's very smooth. It glided on my skin really nicely, and this is the shade. Look how bright and pretty it is. Those were all the things I got in my Euphorbia box. I got total 4 things: one lipstick, one pair of earring, one facial oil, and one hand cream or cuticle cream, whatever you want to say. So yeah, all in all, it was an average Euphorbia box for me. I really love the earrings this time, and I'm excited about the facial oil, but I don't know whether it will work for me or not. And I love the lipstick. I'm not very much excited about the hand cream or the cuticle cream because it smells like Charmis. It smells like a regular cold cream. So yeah, but I really love the pouch this time. It's very pretty and bright. So yeah, very summery feeling it is giving. So that was it for the Euphorbia box for the month of May, and yeah, that's it for the video. If you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful and stay healthy. Bye bye.